If you have a mission that can change the world, you need to build your business around people who share your values. And you need to inspire them, because that's when you turn your mission into a movement. Here's how. If you want a message that people are so inspired by that they tell their friends and family all about it for you, you want to turn your mission into a movement. And to do that, you need to build an audience of true fans and followers. This isn't a numbers game. This is about quality over quantity. And as I've said before, that's why it's so important that you shouldn't be afraid to polarize and niche, because you want to be attracting the right people to your audience, people who share your values, people who are like you. And once you've done that, the 3 steps to turning your mission into a movement that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is going to be so much easier. Hi, I'm Kate and I've been teaching content and communications since 2018. And one thing so many of my clients and students inside my membership Fearless Content have in common is that they don't know how to elevate their message to the next level. If that sounds like you, give me a thumbs up because you're in the right place. And if you're new here, welcome. I do tutorials on how to grow your coaching, creative or heart-led business through storytelling and content with a heartbeat every single week. So if that sounds like something you need more of, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring that bell so you get notified every single time a new tutorial lands. So you know that you need to grow an audience of true fans, and to do that you need to be really clear on who you're talking to and not be afraid to be not for everyone. That's because when you grow an audience who shares your values, they're much more likely to want to get behind whatever it is that you stand for. Because when you find unity in your values and ideas, that's when you turn your mission into a movement. But how do you actually find unity in your values and ideas? Well, let's just say you already have an audience who have the same values to you, that you know exactly who you're talking to, they love everything that you do. But how do you mobilize them to get them to actually be your brand advocates, to stand behind what you stand for and tell everybody about it? Well, there are 3 ways that you can do that, and that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you next. Number 1, talk about your dream. So what is your specific dream or unique goal? So for example, a friend of mine runs a gluten-free baking business, and her dream is that people could see that actually gluten-free eating and cooking doesn't have to be boring, and that in fact it can expand your culinary horizons. That is her dream. And you can see that if somebody is facing a pretty boring diet, having had to give up gluten for dietary reasons, that can be a dream that you could really get behind. Number 2, tell them why your dream matters. So this means it's time to get personal. Use your storytelling skills, let them in, let them know why this dream really matters to you. What is the story behind it? What is the history? What is the background? Maybe, for example, you run an essential oils company and you sell essential oils. So what's the story behind that? Is it because you started using them in your family and you started cutting out chemicals and you want to pass that on to other mothers? Maybe that's your story. So get clear on your dream and start sharing with your audience why that dream matters to you. What is the reason? What is the thing that has happened in your life that made that dream really matter to you? Number 3, get them to share their stories. This is one of the reasons it's so important you want to attract only soulmate fans and followers, because then they will be able to get behind your mission and they will have stories that they want to share about that. They're people who share your values, who want to jump on board with your mission. You want them to share their stories about why your mission matters to them, because it makes your mission more tangible, it makes your mission more memorable, and it makes your mission relevant. Facebook groups are really excellent for this. It builds a community, it connects other people in your audience with each other, and creates a loyal band of brand advocates who will spread the message about your business far and wide. So there you have it, 3 ways to turn your mission into a movement. Have a dream, tell them why it matters, and get other people to share their stories about their dreams. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm Kate. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. You can check out the next one from me right here, and if you click down here, you can grab a free gift.